Bulacan Governor Fernando has tested positive for COVID-19. Fernando got alarmed when a board member whom he had met turned out positive for the virus. He has ordered the immediate contact tracing of people who had been exposed to him. Fernando said he will be on self-quarantine as he continues to lead the provincial government. Fernando explained the protocol he and his staff will be following while he works from home. The governor also reminded everyone to follow health standards and protocols.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.